God help the USA as fires burn Los Angeles schools and destroy outdoor education sanctuaries. Irina Contreras, a program manager at Los Angeles County's Department of Arts and Culture, outdoor education provided a lifeline during the pandemic for both her and her daughter. But now, much of that sanctuary has been consumed by the devastating wildfires engulfing the Los Angeles area. Her 7-year-old daughter, Saiba, found joy and growth in nature through activities like hiking with the Children's Adventure Group and attending Madalija, a bilingual forest school where exploration and connection with nature were central. Whether climbing trees, discovering waterfalls, or respectfully collecting plants for her nature journal, Saiba thrived in the embrace of those natural spaces. Tragically, many of these cherished areas, including Eaton Canyon Nature Area, are now unrecognizable, reduced to ashes. For families like the Contreras, the fires have brought heartbreak not only because of the lives and homes lost but also due to the destruction of treasured educational spaces that once offered respite, learning, and a connection to the outdoors. Schools like Odyssey Charter School in Altadena, which served as a hub for local families, have also suffered damage, leaving parents, children, and teachers grappling with profound loss. The community has been devastated, shared Miguel Ordatil de Plus Anna, a senior manager at the Natural History Museum and a parent whose children attended Odyssey. It's been incredibly difficult to navigate these conversations with my kids, especially knowing many of their friends and teachers have lost their homes. Beyond the burned landscapes, even areas spared by the flames, such as Griffith Park, remain inaccessible due to heavy smoke and hazardous air quality. The fires have disrupted not only lives but also the rhythms of everyday learning, with schools across Los Angeles and neighboring counties forced to close. These losses resonate deeply, as many parents had turned to outdoor education during the pandemic as a source of solace and reconnection. For Irina Contreras, these programs reminded her of the importance of stepping away from screens and embracing the natural world, a lesson she hopes will persist even as the recovery begins. Yet the road ahead feels daunting. Beloved spaces like Eaton Canyon Nature Area, which hosted countless school trips and connected children to wild nature in a safe environment, are now unfit for visitors. Richard Smart, superintendent of the area, reflected on the devastation. The nature center is gone. The wildflowers, the shrubs, everything is gone. The park was a cornerstone of our community, and its loss feels beyond words. Amid this heartache, community members like Leila Higgins, an expert in outdoor education, emphasize the enduring importance of nature for children's emotional and cognitive development. Despite the challenges, they hold on to hope that these spaces will be restored and continue to serve as places of healing, learning, and connection for future generations. Fire has always been a part of life in Southern California, said Greg Pauly, an expert in urban nature. It's painful, but we must rebuild. These landscapes will recover in time, and so will the communities that cherish them. This version adds an empathetic tone, acknowledging the personal and communal impact while highlighting the resilience of the people and the hope for recovery.